Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and you're watching my 2020 Fall Decor Sitting Room Tour. I wanted to keep a neutral color palette and use accessories to add accents of fall colors. I know it isn't your typical fall color, but sage was a wild card accent that worked well because of items I already had and this adorable pumpkin pillow. Again, I kept things neutral in this room, but I still tried to find things with fall character like this pillow. I think keeping your seasonal decor true to your everyday decorating style is important. I adapt the season to my home, not the other way around. You'll see small details like a pumpkin and some faux fall plants here and there, but you'll also see a mix of rustic, glam, and worldly decor pieces, which I keep out year-round. Candles and mood lighting are the final touches that get me in the fall spirit and make me feel cozy. I hope this video did the same for you, and I thank you so much for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more.